Welcome to Pergola Nurseries, Virginia. It's a damp morning in Pergola Nurseries. We're out feeding plants, weeding and cleaning as best we can. This is a 3-year-old plant of CEANOTHUS Victoria. It's got lovely powder blue flowers like that. They're ready to just come into flower now. Can be planted from now. Hardy, Evergreen Shrub. Look at the amount of blue flowers that are about to open out on this fellow. The reason there's so many flowers on this plant and on this lovely Wigelia beside us and on this anemone here in the white is we're feeding every 4 to 6 weeks with Flower Max. Flower Max encourages plants to produce lots of flowers and brings out the intensity of the flower colour. Like when you look at that branch on CEANOTHUS Victoria, look at the amount of flowers there. You know, you couldn't count them. That's only one branch and it'll be smothered in blue flowers. So we're feeding with every 4 to 6 weeks of Flower Max from now. Our CEANOTHUS Victoria is getting a couple of handfuls. Our anemone here, we're out feeding roses, hydrangeas, perennial flowers. Anything that produces flowers out in open beds will be fed every 4 to 6 weeks from now with Flower Max to get the most from them. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.